Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. I went to a estate sale and it just had started. I was the first one in there, and sometimes with an estate sale, the person was still alive. So it wasn't really, he's wanting to sell everything. He's moving back to New York to live with his sister. So he's trying to get rid of everything, and he's retired Coast Guard man, but had a lot of collection, a lot of toys, a lot of, called them bumbles or brumbles. They were these metal toys. He had bags full of those. And sometimes when you go to a sale like that, people are real attached, and it's just hard to work any deals. Well, I ended up got these 3 lanterns. These are railroad lanterns. My uncle worked for the railroad, and I just like the railroad. And matter of fact, there's a railroad track about a mile from my house as the crow flies. But I got these, and I wanted them so bad. I'm thinking about, do I resell them or not? I was looking. This one goes for somewhere between 50 and 75, and pretty much all the rest. Well, let me show you what else I got. This extremely heavy object is, it contained a light. There's a hole where the wires went into it on the other side. And it unscrews. It's got like 4 screws. One of them, the head's broke on the other side. But this came off the Spencer, a Coast Guard ship that actually sank a U-boat off the coast of Ireland. Now, I don't have any documentation to this, but I tend to believe the guy. He told me it was harbored in New York where it was decommissioned, and somehow he was able to get this off of it as a souvenir. And he had a lot of other Coast Guard stuff, so I'm kind of believing that, and I wasn't getting that vibe from him, because this was really the only thing he told me about. And I got this, and I got a bunch of signs too. Got them at a pretty good price. I can make money on signs of this. I'd like to attach that story to this, but there's no way to prove it, but I believe it. And I'm still pondering whether to sell those railroad lanterns or not. Don't know yet. Don't have to right now, but we'll see. Thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.